Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down just a bit to access Biometrics and Password. After that, click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Now you can enable or disable Raise to Wake feature by tapping over here. When you're ready, choose Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. You can also add another appearance by tapping over here, then following the same instructions. Lastly, manage those options however you wish to. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to delete it, click on Face Recognition again, enter your login method, and tap on Delete All Facial Data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!